guys, today we're going to make homemade chicken mince on Be Inspired with Mother and Daughter channel. So let's get started. Chicken breast, lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of salt. To cut chicken, a kitchen knife like this is easier. And you're just going to cut your chicken into chunks. Small chunks are better. So now to our chicken, we're adding our salt and our lemon juice. We're just going to marinate the chicken with that to get rid of the chicken smell that it has. Now, in lukewarm water, we're going to add our chicken pieces and just wash them. So we're taking this out and squeezing out the water. Now we're going to get fresh lukewarm water to rewash the chicken. Now we're rewashing our chicken. So make sure you drain out the water properly. Just squeeze it in between your hands. Now we're going to blend our chicken pieces. And that's all you need to do. So we're just going to do the rest. So here we have our homemade chicken mince. It's very easy and simple, no special equipment needed. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills. And like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks, bye.